Alright, hey guys, so in this video, we're going to tell you how to set up your phone for proper data collection. But first, let's go through materials we recommend for this. First and foremost, we need a phone that can record videos. Secondly, we need a stand of some sort. Alright, so in order to mount your smartphone with alternative materials, you just want to get something that will prop your phone up and keep it straight vertically. We use a small wooden block in the demonstration, but you can use a box such as like a tissue box or a book. Before we mount the phone, for iPhone users, you'll want to change some video settings. First, you want to go to settings in your iPhone, then scroll down to camera. You should see the option for formatting, then switch it from high efficiency to most compatible. This will allow Tracker to recognize the video recording and let you put it in order to collect your data. Now we're going to start by setting up our iPhone. Start by opening the Measure app in your phone and mount your phone in such a way that it's level and also flush with the back of the clamp. You want to get as close to the green line as possible. Also, when you're using a ruler or meter stick, you want to make sure the phone is as parallel as possible so that when you do your analysis on Tracker, it doesn't throw off the measurements. So you want to start by opening your Level app on your phone. In the video, I went ahead and placed the tape that I was going to use to secure it on the face of the phone, just so that I don't have to fumble around with it whenever I place the phone against our wooden block. So once you have your tape on there, you'll just go ahead and using your Level app, make sure the phone is level with the wooden block. You want to make sure that it's level, which the table actually helps a lot with making sure it's level, but you also want to make sure it's level in such a way that it's not leaning forward or backwards. And then once that is made sure of, you can go ahead and press the tape into the side of your block or prop of choice. Now that you have the meter stick and phone set up, you're pretty much ready to start tackling labs.